Hi, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee and Thai AG Division. Today I'm here at Block 3 Holland Close. If you are looking for a spacious and renovated 5-room HDB at Holland Village, I'd like to invite you to join me to take a look at this apartment. Come, let's go! This 5i unit spans 124 square meters, is located in a quiet and peaceful part of Holland Village, and yet all the amenities are at its doorstep. Holland Village MRT, which is located along Circle Line, and Commonwealth MRT, which is located along Green Line, are just a few minutes walk away. Restaurants, eateries, NTUC, cold storage, medical clinics can be found in Holland Village. There are many reputable schools, such as Fairfield Methodist, Henry Park, Nanyang Primary within its vicinity. Secondary schools, junior colleges and universities are also located within its vicinity. This apartment has a very functional squarish layout and is also brightly lit. The owner has knocked down a 4th bedroom to make space for a spacious dining area. You can easily place a 8 to 10-seater dining set here. If you are looking for a big common space where family members can gather for common activities, this layout will really be very ideal for you. The view from the bedroom and living room is just gorgeous. Imagine yourself enjoying amazing views from your apartment every day without having to step out of the house. You can enjoy sunrise every day, and also laser show from MBS and also fireworks from Sentosa too. Besides the gorgeous view, you also enjoy the practicality of having plenty of storage spaces, including a storeroom. There's also a generous space for your workstation and space for your children's home-based learning. The kitchen stands out with the simple black and white tiles. It has granite countertop, ceramic and induction stove, as well as built-in Bosch oven. It can also be fully enclosed as well. With a glass window and a glass door, you can even watch over the little ones whilst you cook. If you are looking for a fully functional kitchen with everything you need to bake and cook, this is the right kitchen layout for you. If you like this location and what you see in this modern apartment, do give me a call. I'm Evelyn, and I'll be more than happy to assist you.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.